Hi Gunpla fans, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a big kit from Aoshima, and this for the first time I will build an Aoshima kit after I build Bandai, Kotobukiya, Modoroid, and some Chinese mecha kits. And I'm very excited to present to you this big kit here, which is from the iconic monster from Japanese entertainment, MECHAGODZILLA. So I have here the other variant of the MECHAGODZILLA from Aoshima, and as a matter of fact, there are variants of this. The other, I forgot the code for that model, but it's also the same, almost the same, but this MFS-3 MECHAGODZILLA has more appeal than the other type. And there is this variation also that they combine the Evangelion Unit 1 and Evangelion Unit 2 into a Godzilla format. But I don't like it. So I like to stick with the original variant, which is this one. And to be honest, that's very expensive. Those model kit with mashed up with Evangelion is very expensive. But this one, I bought this from HobbyLink Japan for the price of 4,300 pesos. And you cannot see model kits like this here in the Philippines because I think this is rare. And most sellers doesn't have interest of on choosing this kit. Anyway, thank you HobbyLink Japan for the safe shipping of this big Aoshima kits here. And now I'm excited to build this. And come on, let's check this out and see. There are Gundams behind me waiting to be built. And as of this recording, this is the Holy Week for the Catholic people here in the Philippines. Anyway, let's check this Aoshima kit, MECHAGODZILLA here. So this is the box of the MECHAGODZILLA. We can see an animated depiction of the kit where the MECHAGODZILLA is being repaired in its hangar. And we can see here the MECHAGODZILLA MFS-3, and you can see the logo of Aoshima. So this Aoshima ACKS Patchy 2002. So this was released in the year 2002, and we can see here the title. It says SOS. I don't know what does it mean. And to be honest, the box here is very big. It's an equivalent of 1.5 size master grade Gundam box. So this is big and a bit heavy. So in the size of the box, we can see this JXSDF logo, MFS-3. Then there's this MECHAGODZILLA face. And you can see some Aoshima logos, and this ACKS stands for Aoshima Character Kit Selection. So I have some Aoshima kits to be built, but this is my first Aoshima kit on the line to build. So I will start on MECHAGODZILLA. I have also Livatine and Ideon and some Aoshima spacecraft, I think, but I will start on MECHAGODZILLA first. So on the other side of the box, we can see the front view of MECHAGODZILLA, the rear view, the shoulder guns, the tail, or the hand. No, this is not the tail, it's a hand. There's two variants, the normal hand and the drill hand. And we can have this normal eye here and the damaged right eye there. And we have some accessories for Mechagodzilla, which is this shoulder cannons, forearm blades, I think, and interchangeable hand parts. And there's this blade. Okay, if we open the box, this big box here, we can see the instruction manual. There's this color guideline here, or painting guidelines on what color you need to use when painting this Godzilla. But based on this picture, it's silver, but on the plastic it looks like the Lanus color. It's like silverish gray or brownish gray. Anyway, let's first check the manual here. So we have here the manual, same with the box art here, and you can see, yep, the front view, the rear view, and same in the side of the box features here. We can see the traditional way of presenting the manual, same like the Bandai, where it's black and white here. And judging on the appearance of this manual, it's not that complicated. I think I can finish this within 3 hours or 4 hours. And yep, it looks like a a giant high grade kit. So there's nothing much complexity on this kit. And I think I will enjoy building this Mechagodzilla here. And so let's go to the package. So we have here mostly same like the Lanus color here. So this is brownish or bronzish colored gray here. There's this glossy kind of thing here, glossy design. So we don't have any color variation aside from this brownish gray here and the black color. Obviously, this is how the Mechagodzilla looks like. So we have here black parts for the inner frame, black parts and this brownish gray, and I don't know how I look on this color is brownish gray, but I don't know how it appears on the camera. So if you want to comment, please comment on the comment section on how you depict the color. So there, to be honest, it's a boring color. It doesn't have an appeal, but I just want to have a villain on my collection. So these are for the joint parts, the inner frame parts, for the waist. So this is for the cannon. So these are black, matted black. And we have here small runners here for, I don't know, for inner frames or armor pieces. And we have rubber pieces. Yep, there are rubber pieces here for the crotch and the hands. So the hands here are made of rubber, the claw or the talons. We have here for the forearm cannons or blade. And we have what's this? We have dry transfer decals. To be honest, I will not use this. I don't like putting decals on Godzilla. And we have here, what's this? Correction and apology. Oh, error. Yeah. Anyway, I think this is this one is for the other variant, and this is for our kit here. Anyway, that's how I like Japanese people know how to accept, know how to apologize, and imagine they print this thing here just to correct one of the runners. Anyway, let's check the runners now. So as always, we'll have a quick review of the runners before we build the kit. So I'm surprised that there are tons of runners here, and yep, we'll start on the silverish or grayish brown here for the Godzilla armor. So we have here a runner J, we have runner I, and runner, this is runner SOS4. I don't know why they made it SOS4. And this is runner A. So we have two sets of runner A, and the plastic looks brittle, to be honest. Looks and feels brittle. So this is a runner C, so be careful when you assemble brittle plastic kits. So we have here runner B and runner N. We have here runner N, runner F. These are runner F for, I think this is for the head parts. For the crotch part, we have runner E. We have two sets of runner SOS5. This is for the shoulder guns. And finally, we have here runner SOS7. I don't know what's this for. So let's go to the black runners. We have here for the chunky pieces, we have runner H. So these are the runners for the leg, for the feet. We have runner SOS2. SOS1, this is metallic black color. Another metallic black color, which is SOS3. For this glossy black here, we have runner R. This is for the inner frame. Another inner frame parts for runner R. So we have two runner R here. We have runner Q for glossy black part for the hip parts. So we have runner D and runner SOS1 for these metallic black color runners. And here SOS6, we have this, I don't know, this is separated from the rest. And we have here big polycaps for MFS-3. So this is PC polycaps, obviously. These are polycaps. And we have here rubbery parts for the crotch, and I don't know, this, I think this is for the torso. To be honest, I'm afraid of these pieces because over time it will lose elasticity, because rubber loses its elasticity over time. And this rubber is not hard rubber. This is a soft rubber, and yeah, obviously it will lose its elasticity over time. And this is for the tail. And we have here small clear parts pieces for yep, these are the yellow parts, the red parts, clear parts, and this is the full yellow parts for the visor. This is the half yellow for the visor and half red for the visor. Yep. And we have here rubber runners here, so rubberized parts. So I did not open yet to avoid losing or accidentally pulling this part here. And finally, we have hand parts here. We have mechanical hand for the right. So we have two sets here for the right hand, mechanical hand. And we have this naturally semi-natural hand pose here for the left hand. So we have two different variation for the hand. So we have this semi-natural hand for the left and mechanical hand for the right. And we have this drill variation here. I think this is for the hand drill. And yep, this is packed nicely. Anyway, let's build the kit and see you next time, and wait for my review for this kit. And I hope it will help you decide whether to buy this MECHAGODZILLA here, even though it's overpriced kit. And luckily I find this kit a little cheaper, the price of 4,000, 3,000 I think, or 4,000, I forgot. Anyway, let's build this kit and see you next time. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care.
Mm.